TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. We have made it through another week. I hope that you have a fabulous weekend ahead. But before we kick off the weekend, I am back with another work from home job lead. But real quickly, before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss another job lead. And as always, all the jobs that I discuss will be in the description box below. But without wasting your time today, the company Muck, they have public relations software, and big name companies use their software like Nike, Taco Bell, Pfizer, A&E. They are hiring a customer support specialist. This is remote within the United States, and this is a full-time position. Now, with this customer service position, there will be a little bit of phone work, but the way it reads, it looks like most of it will be non-phone based. It says you'll work closely with the editorial, customer success, and product teams. You'll serve as a first responder for inbound communication through our site. So websites are normally like email or ticketing systems or live chat. It says you'll answer customer questions and provide how to help on Muck's capabilities with a focus on reducing customer effort and furthering product knowledge. You'll troubleshoot technical issues and diagnose errors online and over the phone. So it does say that you may have to talk on the phone, but a lot of this seems to be geared towards non-phone, so that's something you'll have to ask in the interview. It says you'll follow site issues to resolution and customer satisfaction, and you'll identify processes that need to be improved. So you are basically going to be a customer service representative for their software. Now, as far as what you need to qualify for this position, they do not require any degree, but they do require you to have 1 to 2 years of experience in technical support. B2B or SaaS experience is preferred but not required. They want someone who has great written and verbal communication skills with a focus on listening and asking the right questions. Someone who is comfortable communicating with customers via chat and email, which also leads me to believe this is going to be mostly non-phone. Someone who can troubleshoot and perform in-depth investigations. Someone who can adapt quickly to changes in customer needs. Someone who is familiar with technical writing and troubleshooting. And it does say you must be willing to work the shift of 1 o'clock p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is afternoon, evening hours, and you'll have to convert that to your time zone to see if that works for you. Now, the good thing about this position is the base salary is $27 an hour. So for a customer service role, they pay very, very well. Now, it does outline the interview process if you happen to apply. Right here, you will have a 30-minute interview with a member of their talent team. Then if you move on to the next step, if they like you in that 30-minute interview, you'll have a 1-hour Zoom interview with the hiring manager. And if the hiring manager likes you, they will give you a take-home assignment that will take you 2 hours, and then you'll have a final interview. So you will have to go through multiple steps of interviews with this one. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.